Bam. All right, so I told you guys I'm getting that truck. So here's the truck that I'm getting. I'm not getting no 20,000, no 2020 or 2021s or 2023s. I'm actually picking up a 2010 Chevy Silverado 4x4 diesel 2500. Okay, it's a beauty, and guess what? The price was perfect, and I'm getting it from a guy that I trust. He's the guy that I got this truck from that I'm driving right now. Well, this SUV that I'm driving right now. This will be my first pickup owning, and I'm looking forward to driving it and doing work with it and building it. So you guys are gonna see it in the field, okay? You're gonna see it in the field. Got the keys, so I'm about to go and give y'all a walkthrough. There's the back hitch is gonna new one is have to go on there because it's missing the hitch. Well, it's not missing, they took it off, so that's minor stuff. But this truck is going to be perfect for work, for doing what I got to do with it. You feel me? When you guys are getting things, man, don't get caught up in the trying to keep up with the Joneses and trying to be like everybody else. You got to be smart with your money, and you got to know what you're spending your money on and why you're spending it. Okay, so here's the truck right here. It needs a nice cleanup, but it's okay. And then here's the hitch right here that we need to get. And we also have that right there. Oh yeah. This is a freaking beast. I'm 6'2", and I'm up here, okay? Got the ramps, the step-up ramps. Just open. I'm gonna open this up. I think I forgot how to open the door. This is the interior. Got a little thing here, minor, who cares about that? Power seats, no sunroof, of course, I don't care about no sunroof. It has nice setup. It's perfect. All right, guys, I drove the truck. It feels like a damn truck. It feels big, strong, powerful. It is ready to go. I love it. It's like I said, I got a really damn good price in this monster, man. It is a beast. So here's a challenge. So it's a 2010. Hey, how you guys like the truck? Be honest.
I love the truck.
I love it. Me too.
It's huge.
Yep.
Awesome. So, hold on. It's a 2010, right? It has 130,000 miles. It has a fully loaded track package. It has the bars in the front, the straight bars in the front. It has the attachments down here for towing. It has the Bluetooth setup, has all of that stuff. It has the double seat, you know, front and rear. And it has the tow package in the back here. So after all is said and done, here's a question. How much money do you think I paid on it for 2010 Chevy Silverado 4x4? And I'm curious to hear what y'all got to say. I'm curious, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm always, and this is a Vortec, by the way, just so you know. It's a Vortec. So I'm about to go inside Harley, go pick up some stuff that I need, and get some things that I really need for my trip. I noticed that my transmission valve cap was kept on spinning, so I'm gonna go pick me up a new one and get that going, and then put that on the bike, make sure that that piece is on point. All right, so let's do it. right, guys, that's the truck, baby. This ain't no long video. This is just a reveal of the truck. This thing drives nice. We took a little notes of a few little things we got to get done. Mike is gonna go and take the detail, get the stuff detailed out. We're gonna give them a little notes of stuff that we see that needs to be corrected. But other than that, I'm happy. I'm happy. And this truck is, let me tell you, this truck is a beast. Once again, did I say this truck is a beast? Let's go, Dorian. If you're not careful, man, you drop out of this truck. If you short, you gonna fall into the abyss. Man,